Hi guys, Anita here. How is everyone? Okay, so today we're going to do I Love Etsy List 3 episode 19. I'm going to show you some of the items that have sold, and then I'll show you the items that I have listed. So first, I want to show you this one here. Sorry about the noise. Kids are playing outside. Okay, so this bell, oh my goodness. This bell necklace sold for $35. It's a very pretty piece here, and it does ring. So this one was for 35. And next we have, okay, so next we have this Halloween lot that I'm going to put up a picture of. There's 10 pendants in the lot, and I sold this one for $8. Up is same buyer purchased 4 things, and I'm going to show you what they are. Okay. So we have the 2 pearl necklaces, the peacock color one that was 14, the cream color one that was also 14, and then these earrings here with the turquoise stones. Oh my god, they're loud. And then we have, oh, it is Saturday. Okay. And then we have these ones here, the rectangular shape with the little flowers. And these were 10. And the total for everything was $56. I'm going to put these back. And I put them in separate bags here so they don't scratch each other. Oh, here it is. I was looking for the bag. Okay. Next we have this one here. It's a cross pendant with a heart center stone. Very pretty piece here. This one sold for $15. And then we have, okay, I'm going to put a picture of the next one. It's a Fontani lighted resurrection scene tomb. And this one, I'm going to show you the picture of it lit up. This one sold for $50. I also had Fontani figures, little figures, a lot of 5 of them. And this one here sold for $20, which came to a total of $70 for everything. Okay. Next, we have 5 items by the same buyer. This first one is this dragon pendant here. That was 7. And then we have, okay, oh yes, the cross pendant here with the marcasite beads. Very pretty. And here it is, a very nice piece. This one was 22. The turtle. Here, which is 10. This turtle's really cute. Okay, and then we have the gold tone. Oh, this is a really nice piece. It's an omega necklace, gold tone, very pretty enameling, and it does have a little dangly stone here, very pretty. This one was 45, and there's also a pearl necklace, but I already wrapped the necklace up, so I'm not going to be able to show you the necklace, but all of these items together was the total of $99. But my favorite is the omega. Very pretty. Okay, so put these away. One second. Next we have here. This one here. This is a long quartz and pearl necklace. A very pretty piece. This one sold for 18. And then, of course, I knew this one would sell here. Let me show you this one because this was my favorite. And this butterfly here sold for 25. Very pretty piece. Okay, so those are the sold items, and the total came out to $326. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the items that I have listed. Okay. This one here is a bit pricey, but it's well worth it. Very nice Plaza Neh enameled piece here with large beads that have dragons on them. Oh my goodness, you can't see. It's not focusing well. Let's see if we can get it to focus. They do show better in the pictures. If you go look at the pictures of the listing, they are dragons, very pretty beads here, and it does have a really nice clasp. This one is 26 inches. These are very hard to find, pieces like this, especially the dragon ones. So I did go ahead and list this one for 50, but as you know, that will be much less with the 20% discount that I start them off with. Okay, the next one is here we go. Oh no, I forgot what it's called. Oh, Carnelian. It's a Carnelian necklace, 24 inches. It has a barrel clasp, very pretty. This one I listed it for 25. And what do we have next? Let's see here. Next one is a tiger's eye necklace. And this one doesn't have a clasp, but it is 33 inches, I think it is, 33 inches. And this one I listed it for $20. Very pretty colors. The colors are really nice. Okay. Next we have the Jade Mirror with gemstones. And this is a really nice piece here. Very pretty. I would say it's in excellent condition. It has all the stones here and a jade handle. This one I listed it for 20. And as you can see, the mirror is really nice too. And this is a very nice piece. Would make a great gift. Okay, so I'm going to cover the handle so it doesn't break. Okay, the next one here we have is ceramic, porcelain. I'm not sure which one it is. Could be both, I think. This is really nice. I love the colors on these. These are hand-painted beads, and they are individually tied. And this one is 24 inches, and it does have that really nice clasp on it as well with the flower. And I did add this one to it. It's a beaded bracelet. This is a stretch bracelet, but it does have the same kind of beads on here, so I'm going to add this in it as well. And I listed this piece for bolt for $30. And I want to show you guys closer how pretty this is. It's very pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness, kids are playing outside. Okay, so the next one here, this one is also a bit pricey, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot less than what they have them for elsewhere. This also is hand-painted beads here. Very pretty beads. Flowers, and they are, again, individually tied. And they do have that really nice clasp here. This one is 31 inches. And they are all different. You could tell that the beads, some of them are a little bit smaller in size, some of them are bigger. They are all different, very beautifully painted. And this one I did go on ahead and I listed this one for 50, and it will be a lot less with the 20% off, but this is a very nice piece. Okay, and we have the next one here is red gemstones. Okay. This one, I'm not sure what stones they are, but they do have pearls here as well. And there's some kind of red stone. This is how it looks. And I did put it on one of the mannequins when I took the picture, so you can see how it looks when it's worn. And this one I listed it for $20. This doesn't have a clasp, but it is 29 inches, so it should go over everybody's head. And it is a very pretty piece. Okay. The next one I'm going to show you is a similar item in green. Again, I don't know what the stone is. It's very pretty. And this one doesn't have a clasp as well. This one is 30 inches. It should go over everyone's head. And this one, again, I listed it for 20. Okay. And then what do we have next? We have, oh, this cobalt blue ceramic bead necklace here. Again, individually tied, beautiful beads. I love how rich this color is. This is very pretty. This one is 26 inches. It does have that beautiful clasp on it. And I just love the color of this. Okay. And this one was 22. Now I'm going to show you some brooches that I lotted up. And these are all signed pieces. And I listed these for $12. We have a bow, this swirly here, and a leaf. And these are all signed. They'll say in the listing what the markings are. And I listed these for $12. Okay, I hope you guys had fun. I'm not sure if you guys like how I'm doing it today, where I'm showing you what the items that sold along with the items that are listed. If you'd like me just to show the items that I've listed, please let me know in the comments. If you like seeing the items that have sold, let me know. I hope you guys had fun. Oh, and also don't forget the giveaway is going to be Monday at 2 Central in the afternoon. So I'll see you guys then. Thank you for watching. This is Anita saying goodbye.